Hi everyone, welcome to video 3, and this video will be about creating a quiz online on Moodle 2.4, opening a quiz and adding questions to it, different types of questions. So let's begin by adding the quiz. First, we do turn editing on and then add activity or resource. This time we're going to push on creating a quiz. Here we go, adding a quiz. A new window opens up. Let's give our quiz a name. Quiz 1. Very original. And we scroll down. We can then afterwards, after we create the quiz, we can decide whether we want our students to see their grades straight away or to wait until all the class finishes with the assignment. Do we want them to get feedback straight away or not? That we'll deal with later. But for now, we'll just open it up so that we can add questions. So save and return to course. Once I'm back in the course, I'm going to go down to make sure my quiz is here. Here it is. And I'm going to click on it. Okay, it tells me that there are no questions that were added to this quiz, so we'd like to add questions. We clicked on Edit Quiz and then Add a Question. What kind of question do we want to add? A regular question or a random question? Let's begin with adding a regular question. We'll start with multiple choice questions. Click on multiple choice. Next, it opens up a new window, and I'm going to give my question a name. The name will be Questions on Text 1. Okay. What is my question? So I've prepared a question on a Word document. This is my question. What is the purpose of paragraph 1? I right click and copy, and I can go back to my Moodle and Control V will paste it onto Moodle. Then I'm going to give the possibilities, right? Choice 1. Choice 1 here will be to state the main idea of the article. Let's go back to my Moodle and Control V. Now, is this the correct answer? If this is not the correct answer, then the grade will be none. If this is the correct answer, you'll give it 100%, or if there are two possible answers, you'll decide how to break it up. So let's say this is not the correct answer, I'll give it none. I can also decide what kind of feedback, meaning to show the student afterwards why this is incorrect, an explanation, or some kind of a feedback. Another possibility, another choice for this multiple choice will be to give examples of different human needs. Let's copy that and paste it over here. Let's say this is the correct answer and there's only one possible answer. This is what the student will get. I can also give them feedback. Excellent. And the third choice, to express the writer's opinion on the human needs. Did it color? No. Let's try again. Let's highlight it. Right click. Copy. And Control V. Paste. Scroll down. down. I can also give them hints if needed, and save. So I have my first question. Okay, and if I click on it, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is to edit. Let's see if I can preview. This is also to edit. We'll see it in a minute. We'll see what it looks like together in a minute. Okay, let's add another kind of question. Okay, let's add not a multiple choice, but a matching question. A new window opens up. Question name, matching. Matching, let's do prefixes. Okay. The question is, match the correct prefix to each of the following words. So let's say the first one will be controllable, and the answer will be un. The second one will be correct, and the prefix will be in. The third one will be perfect, and the prefix will be im. The fourth one, legal, and the prefix will be ill. And let's go down. Save changes. Okay, I have 2 questions on the first page. Okay, I can have each question on a separate page, or I can have all my questions on the same page. It's up to me. So we opened a quiz and we added 2 questions. The first one was multiple choice and the second one was a matching question. Let's see what they look like. I go back to my course and I'm going to click on quiz 1 and let's see what happens. Okay, it lets me preview the quiz, and here it is. Question number 1, what is the purpose of the paragraph? The student can click on the correct answer, and whatever the student clicks, that's what the computer is going to save. And the matching question, perfect, right? And let's choose the wrong one and see what happens. Okay, the answers were saved, and I can submit and finish, and the computer will give me a grade. Oh my goodness, I didn't do so well. Okay, thanks for watching. So this is how to create 2 types of questions. We'll continue with other types of questions in the next video. Thank you.